Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because today I'm telling you about the most beautiful thing made in 1949 that isn't my neighbor Larry's comb-over. I got my hands on a Mercury 8 Woodie Wagon, so clean it made me consider giving up air conditioning and Bluetooth just to ride like it's post-war America again. Now, before I dive deeper than a mechanic in overalls, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode where classic cars meet midlife crises, and we're proud of both. So here's the scoop. Between 2015 and 2023, this Mercury 8 went through a complete ground-up restoration. And I mean ground up like every piece of wood and metal got the spa treatment. The wood framework and doors were replaced in 2019, and the whole body got a fresh coat of Calabash Yellow, which I believe is just fancy talk for sunshine in paint form. The metal got media blasted so clean, even rust filed for unemployment. Under the hood lives a rebuilt Mercury 255 cubic inch, 4.2-liter flathead V8, which is basically the James Dean of engines. It pairs with a 3-speed manual transmission and an overdrive unit that makes highway cruising actually tolerable. It's rear-wheel drive, because of course it is. We're not trying to turn it into a Tesla. The interior? Picture 3 rows of tan leather benches that have been re-sprung, like they're ready for another 70 years of road trips. You've got rubber floors, wooden door panels, and a headliner so accurate it could fool a time traveler. The dash? Painted to original specs. The gauges? All functional. The AM radio doesn't work, but let's be honest, what would you even tune into? The wheels are 15-inch Steelies painted black, finished with chrome hubcaps and wrapped in Firestone 6.00 15-inch whitewall tires. Because nothing screams class like tires that look like they came off a Sinatra tour bus. It's got new brakes, lines, cylinders, and a stainless steel exhaust, which means not only does it go, but it stops and breathes clean too. There's even a rear tailgate-mounted spare tire, just in case you feel like changing tires while looking cool. And the registration? Clean, clear, and lean-free, unlike Greg after his 3rd divorce. Now, if you want to help keep alive and me from selling my neighbor's lawn furniture for gas money, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1. Yes, $1. That's cheaper than a coffee and causes fewer bathroom emergencies. Sponsorship links right under the video.